Good day, ma'am. Our product is Mango Alamang. Question number 1. Which specific tourism product are you proposing to develop, and how does it address an existing gap or a need in the local tourism market? So my answer is we are proposing the development of Mango Alamang, a unique fusion condiment made from the ripe mangoes and fermented shrimp alamang. This product fills a gap in the local tourism market by offering a distinct, locally inspired culinary souvenir that showcases the rich agriculture and coastal resources of our area. Number 2, the next question. How does your proposed product align with the current tourism trends and preference of your target market? So my answer is Mango Alamang aligns with the growing trends of culinary tourism, where travelers seek authentic local flavors. It caters to the tourists interested in cultural immersion and food souvenirs. Our target market is the millennial, foodies, and the domestic travelers prefer unique, artisan, and Instagram-worthy products, making Mango Alamang a perfect fit.
Mabuhay Magyaw, my name is Joshua Espinosa, and the question is, what is your strategy for ensuring the sustainability, economic, environmental, and cultural of this tourism product? So our product is Mango Alamang. So economically, we source ingredients from local farmers and fisherfolk to ensure our fair trade supply chain. So environmentally, we use eco-friendly packaging and minimize food waste through careful production. Culturally, Mango Alamang preserve Filipino culinary heritage while innovating with local flavors, contributing to pride of place.
How did you identify and validate the demand for this particular tourism product? We conduct surveys during local food fairs and interview tourists and souvenir vendors. Feedback locally made for food items. The combination of mango and alamang was considered novel and appealing, validating its market potential. What are the key partnership or stakeholders involved in the development of your product, and what are the rules? Key stakeholders include local mango farmers and alamang harvesters as a supplier's local government unit for this product endorsement and permits, tourism officers for promotional support, and local artisans for packaging design. These partners ensure product quality, compliance, and cultural relevance.
So Mabuhay Magyaw again. So the question is, what marketing promotional strategies will you use to launch and sustain interest in your tourism product? So for our marketing and promotional strategies, we will use a mix of digital marketing like social medias, food bloggers, and online stores, and on-site promotion at local tourist spot and souvenir shops. Also, we will join food festivals and collaborate with influencers to boost product visibility. And free taste tests and eco-friendly packaging will attract conscious consumers.
Mabuhay Magyaw everyone, I am Julius again. The question is, how will your tourism product contribute to local economics development and community engagement? So our product is Mango Alamang. Mango Alamang provides income opportunities for farmers, fish folks, and small scales processors. It encourages entrepreneurship and skills training for local youth and women. The product also enhance community pride. So promoting local identity through foods, and we use social platform.
Mabuhay Magyaw again, and the question is, what risks or challenges do you anticipate in developing and launching this product, and how do you plan to mitigate them? So potential risks include seasonal supply shortage and food safety compliance. We will mitigate this through proper inventory management's supplier contracts, and adherence to FDA standard. So training sessions on food hygiene and preservation techniques will be conducted.
Mabuhay Majo everyone, I am Julius Dumbase, and the part of my question is, what is your project to return investment? So ROI, return on investment. And what financial model did we use? To calculate it? So okay guys, I will explain it. Using a break event, analyzing and making or markup pricing model, we project an ROI, so return on investment, of 30% or to 40% within this year. So assuming moderate demand, we calculate this based on our raw material. So the labor, the packaging, estimated monthly sales, and volume through local markets and tourism centers.
And how will you measure the success and impact of your tourism product over time? So my answer is, for me is, we will monitor sales data, customers feedback, and also repeat purchase and social media engagement, surveys, and interviews will help. Asset storage, satisfactions, community will be measured by tracking local job and creation and income growth among suppliers and workers. And so thank you.